I love trains and bike riding, so the route of the Hiawatha Bike Trail is one of my favorites. It's about 15 miles long on an old railroad grade on the Montana-Idaho border. If you didn't bring your own bike, you can rent one at the Outlook Pass ski area a few miles away. I happen to go on a busy summer weekend when there are lots of organized group riders. You start by going through the dark and cool 1.6 mile long Taft Tunnel. From there, it's a gentle downhill slope over 7 sky-high trestles and through 10 more tunnels. The trailhead is about 2 miles south of Interstate 90. This section was part of the line that was electrified for 400 miles. You can see some of the supports that held the high voltage wires above the track. The railroad ran from Chicago to Seattle and had several names over the years, but the Milwaukee Road was the most common. The last train ran over the line in 1980. Through some bad luck and bad management, the railroad declared bankruptcy and the tracks were removed in the 1980s.
On your left.
This was a spectacular ride, and I'll be sure to do it again sometime. This turned out to be an all-day outing for me. At the end, I took the easy way back on the shuttle, but if you want to save $10, you can bike back. The shuttle bus drops you off at the west portal of the Taft Tunnel, so it's another dark 1.6 mile bike ride back to your car. Please give this video a like. I appreciate it, and it encourages me to make more of these. Thanks.